Imagine a world where artificial intelligence has surpassed human intelligence, leaving us obsolete. Sounds like a dystopian sci-fi movie, right? Well, it might be closer than you think. Is AI the end of human innovation, or is it just the beginning of a new era of unprecedented creativity and progress for humanity? In this video, we will take you into the future of AI and its potential impact on our world. We will show you the incredible advancements tech giants have made in AI technology and how it's already transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. But we're not stopping there. We'll also discuss the potential downsides of AI, such as job displacement, privacy concerns, bias, and even the risk of AI becoming a threat to humanity itself. Get ready as we examine the ethical implications of AI development and the importance of responsible innovation. So, if you're curious about the future of AI and its impact on our lives, you won't want to miss this video. We'll give you a comprehensive look at the opportunities, benefits, and challenges ahead, and by the end, you'll better understand whether AI is truly the end of innovation or just the beginning of something extraordinary. Recent advancements in AI and machine learning have taken chess and Go by storm, showcasing an evolution in play that has astonished master players. These AI systems, such as AlphaZero and its successors like Stockfish and Leela Chess Zero, use deep reinforcement learning to teach themselves from scratch. They analyze millions of positions and move far beyond human capability. The best AI Go program, KataGo, can play at a highly advanced or superhuman level. Other famous and strong AI-powered Go players include AlphaGo and OpenAI. Not only do these algorithms calculate moves, they also develop unique strategies, sometimes inventing approaches that grandmasters have never even considered. It's like a virtual instructor or master learning at hyperspeed, citing historical games and blending strategies into new tactics that keep seasoned players on their toes. This shift in gameplay isn't just about computational power. It's redefining the very essence of strategy. It raises intriguing questions. Should we regard these machines merely as tools or partners in our intellectual journeys? As they continue to push boundaries, some might argue they're ushering us into a new era where human oversight becomes optional rather than necessary. It proposes a future where innovation thrives through collaboration between man and machine. Content creation is another sector where generative AI and machine learning have made remarkable strides. It has blurred the line between human creativity and algorithmic efficiency. Platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini can generate blog posts, articles, and even social media updates that read like those written by humans. This leap has also extended into music composition. AI tools like Iva now craft original songs and beats that resonate emotionally with listeners, sometimes touching hearts in ways we'd only expect from seasoned composers. It's fascinating to ponder how these technologies replicate human artistry and push beyond boundaries we hadn't previously envisioned. In poetry, AI-driven modules use rich linguistic textures and emotional depths that challenge traditional poetic norms. They're experimenting with structure, sound, and metaphor in refreshing ways. Think about a sonnet made with algorithmic precision that inspires one to view familiar themes from new angles. The key takeaway is not just the speed or volume of content AI produces, it's the potential for this technology to kill human innovation or lead to revolutionary collaborations between human imagination and artificial intelligence. As these tools evolve, they may empower us to focus less on repetitive tasks and more on the deeper narratives. Expect a partnership rather than a replacement in our creative pursuits. Autonomous or self-driving car companies like Tesla and BYD are at the forefront of integrating artificial intelligence and machine learning into transportation, altering driving and mobility. With innovations like autopilot and full self-driving technology, these vehicles are slowly becoming the prominent mode of transportation and learning platforms that continuously evolve. Thanks to AI's ability to analyze massive amounts of real-time data from their fleet, these company systems can adapt to diverse road conditions, enhance safety features, and predict traffic patterns. This constant improvement ensures that every mile an autonomous vehicle drives contributes to its intelligence. It's like a brain, getting more and more clever with every experience. However, the implications stretch far beyond convenience or entertainment. They challenge our understanding of ownership and accessibility in transportation. Picture a world where autonomous fleets operate seamlessly, reducing traffic congestion while minimizing the carbon footprint, making cities greener and more efficient. As these technologies develop, questions arise. Are we optimizing our cities for machines rather than people? Could this lead to an environment where personal control over travel diminishes in favor of algorithm-driven efficiency? The conversation around AI isn't just about advancements, it's about redefining freedom within the scope of innovation. AI and machine learning have already started transforming healthcare in ways never seen before. Imagine algorithms analyzing millions of patient data points in the blink of an eye, identifying patterns that would take even the best doctors many days to detect. This advancement has led to early diagnosis and personalized treatment plans tailored to individual needs. It has also enhanced diagnostic accuracy. Innovations like predictive analytics can forecast disease outbreaks or patient deterioration, fostering proactive care. As a result, healthcare providers can optimize hospital resource allocation, reduce costs, and improve accessibility for everyone, leading to a healthier society. Shifting gears to the financial sector, AI is pushing boundaries by changing how we understand risk and consumer behavior. With sophisticated models predicting market trends and with astonishing accuracy, businesses can make informed decisions that minimize losses while maximizing gains. Moreover, machine learning can enhance fraud detection systems by spotting unusual transactions in real time, protecting consumers, and fostering trust within financial institutions. As these technologies evolve, we may witness a blooming and more secure economy where innovation thrives, democratizing finance like never before. As we advance into the age of AI and reap its benefits, we must also address the potential pitfalls accompanying this technological marvel. One of the most pressing concerns is job displacement. While automation can boost productivity, it also threatens traditional roles, leaving many workers feeling vulnerable. It's not a matter of losing jobs. It's about a shift in job quality and availability that could lead to economic instability if not managed wisely. Ethical dilemmas also loom large over us, especially considering the bias inherent in AI algorithms. These systems often reflect human prejudices in their training data, which can perpetuate inequalities. When we couple this with privacy concerns surrounding data collection and usage, these issues paint a picture of technology that may violate personal autonomy. And let's not forget the existential threat some theorize AI might pose to all of humanity. As machines evolve, become sentient, and have their own opinions, how do we ensure they act in humanity's best interests? Balancing innovation with caution will be vital as we progress in artificial intelligence. Renowned philosophers like David Chalmers urge us to rethink our relationship with artificial intelligence, suggesting that a deeper philosophical understanding of consciousness could guide ethical AI development. He advises us to ponder how to make aligned, intelligent machines and why we need to create them in the first place. This reflective approach encourages developers and policymakers to incorporate ethical frameworks, prioritizing human well-being in their AI endeavors. Similarly, a British computer scientist, Stuart Russell, advocates aligning AI systems with human values through proven beneficial designs. Ensuring these systems have clear goals aligned with societal needs will help mitigate risks while enhancing innovation. Interdisciplinary collaboration. Merging insights from ethics, technology, philosophy, and sociology can yield fresh perspectives. This approach will harness diverse viewpoints to devise robust safeguards against unintended consequences from unchecked AI growth. Despite the benefits and potential opportunities that AI and machine learning presents, our endeavors are incomplete and lack appeal without the human touch. The ability to think outside the box and wield chance have long been the foundation of great ideas. These essential factors are now under threat in a world increasingly driven by algorithms and their predictions. When creativity shines through unexpected connections or accidental discoveries, it leads to breakthroughs that rigid logic often overlooks. The magic of chance, a forgotten art, and a methodical pursuit of efficiency can transform everyday moments into stepping stones for revolutionary ideas. As AI systems optimize predictable outcomes, we are stifling the spontaneous insights that give rise to new concepts. Moreover, while AI can analyze vast data sets to detect trends and patterns, it lacks the intuition, creativity, and emotional depth that makes us human. This complex ability to be inspired by an odd coincidence or a wild idea fuels innovation beyond mere calculation. If we lean too heavily on artificial intelligence as our primary source of enlightenment, it will create a sense of false confidence that whatever algorithms provide is the absolute truth. This belief stifles doubt and critical thinking in the human species. Embracing uncertainty, questioning everything, and nurturing spaces where chance encounters can flourish could be our best defense against complacency. It reminds us that some of life's most profound revelations flourish unpredictably amid chaos. So what do you think? Do you believe AI, machine learning, and automation will repress human innovation? Or is it just the beginning of a new era of creativity and progress? Think about it, and then let us know in the comments section down below. Take a moment, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for all your AI curiosities.